And we're going to go into edit the title again. Again, we're going to be in the Appearance Options tab. Go down to the Flipbook logo. Now I've got a logo already prepared here. Now you should note that it's best to use a logo with a transparent background in order to best be viewed in the banner, as well as make sure your image is no larger than 140 pixels wide and 22 pixels high in order to have the size and look best viewed in the banner. If you want more information about how to make your transparent, your backgrounds transparent, you can do a Google search. We'll be having a help desk post soon on how to make your logo background transparent. So I've added my logo there. We're linking it to Mygazines' website. And I'm going to update the title. And go back to the management, and hopefully the logo will be added. And you can see there that it is. So we've now got an instant matching with our brand of the Abby Mag. And you can see it's going to be appearing no matter what page we're on in the digital edition, always there staying with the reader.
Yes, and it's a really simple tool. It's a really simple feature, but it already has a big impact on the reader. The reader already knows who is delivering the content, which is really important for your brand.
Exactly. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the slide. Here's a quick screenshot of the result. Now we're going to talk about the background image.
Yes, and a background image is an image that appears behind the publication. It is one of the most flexible tools for your digital editions. You can customize the whole layout of the publication, and you can use many kinds of images. In this case, below the text, you see a fake publication. And you can see that could probably be compared to the NASA or to a different aerospace organization. And in this case, we used a big background image that takes the whole background of the publication and really gives it a custom feel and a feeling that is directly associated to your brand, to the brand of this organization. But you can also use patterns or non-screen size images.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the system in order to get your background tweaked and looking great. Over to the Mygazines system again. We're going to edit our title. I think first what I'm going to show you is how you can change the background color. It's a very simple tool you can use to quickly change the look and feel of your digital edition in the Mygazines reader. Just for example purposes, let's see what a red looks like. Maybe a light red, pinkish color. There we go. And do a quick update of the title. And take a look. Do a refresh. As you can see now, you've got another color in the background. So it's something that you can use very easily to change the look and feel of the reader. Now I'm going to show you how to get some images in there to make it look even better. Again, still within the title settings. Let's try to use a tiled image and see what that looks like. If you go down to Flipbook Background, I'm going to browse. I've got one ready here. Blue wave tiling. Small image, but it's going to use a position and repetition that we're going to have. I'm going to center it, and I'm going to have it repeat in all directions so it fills the screen. I'm going to update my title. And now if I do a refresh, you can see now you've got the background image tiled, a nice blue wavy sort of an image, really giving your readers more and more you're customizing to your own brand and the look and feel that you're going for your company. And let's show one more instance of how you can add a background image, a full-size image that will cover the entire screen. Okay, I'm going to browse for an image again. I've got a seascape here. I'm going to add. We don't have to worry about the positioning or repetition because it's a large image. We recommend that you use, as far as resolution, an image that is as large as possible, so it will appear in full size, or no matter what resolution your readers are, computer systems are set up as. So somebody at a high resolution will see the full image, and somebody at a lower resolution will also see a full-size background. So I've chosen my background. I'm going to go to the Update Title button, click that again, wait for a couple seconds, do a refresh again. You can see the background image is a nice seascape, really giving you, this could be a travel magazine, and give you the feel that you're on the beach somewhere looking out into the ocean. This is all about customization, about achieving the look and the feel that your company needs to engage your readers and to build your brand. So I'm going to go back to the slides now. As you can see, some results of the tiled images and the full-size background image here. Now, we can also talk about how we can customize your website address or URL to match your own personal company's address. And I'll let Jose talk about that for a minute.
Yes, in the same way that you use your brand to customize the background, to customize the banner and other elements in the publication, the URL, the website address, can also be customized. Instead of using a generic URL or GoDaddy or any other service provider that you might have, you can customize it and use your own URL. In this case, we're using a fake URL, which is aerospace.com/publications. And as you can see, it matches the publication's brand and your own brand. If this was your brand, it would be completely coherent and consistent with the rest of your efforts. And if you want to do it, you would need to contact us. And later on in this presentation, we will let you know how to do it. It's a really easy process.
Okay. Okay, we're going to quickly go over some other tools right now. You can customize the language that you want your flipbook to display. So if you've got regional viewers, you can change it to, right now, we've got English, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. Now, if you've got another language that you'd like us to add, be sure to contact us. It's a very quick process for us to add another language to better serve your readership. Also, the widget area, which we have touched upon briefly in this and the previous webinar, you can customize the widget areas, include your brand, include a link table, include an advertisement, anything that you can put in that area left to your publication that would help your brand and increase your brand awareness, you can do that. It accommodates any HTML code or that you can put in there. You can customize subscription notes or pop-ups that you might have if you're using subscription services that Mygazines offers. Again, customize it with any brand or logo or any look and feel. Same with email campaigns. Customize what your email is going to look like as you get in touch with your readers via email. Jose, you want to talk about the PLP?
Yes, we also have a private label portal. This means that it would be a completely customized portal for your publications. If you were a publisher, you could have your own newsstand for your magazines or newspapers or books. And it will be completely branded to your needs according to your marketing strategies. So this is another great tool, and Mygazines offers it as well.
Okay, so this slide gives us a before and after for our little tutorial examples here. As you can see, there's a big difference of where you can come from and where you can end up.